Alright, so you can see the Branford Bridge marker where we're at. And today is, what is today?
August 16th, 2024.
August 16th, 2024. This is the river, all flooded. We put some extension poles on there. We have 5 steps showing. The 5th step has a little water on it. It had a little more yesterday. You can see in the neighbor's yard. That bottom step right there. Almost underwater. That dog's all the way underwater. The floor of that one didn't get wet yet. And then the house next to us, that dock is quite underwater. I'm always expecting to come out here and see an alligator on my bank. Right there at the edge. And then over on this neighbor side. She's right there at their bank. Not in the yard. then there, the end of that fence post. Where we've been. These are dates. Starting here August 5th. Quick rise. And then you can see it's dropping. Yay! As of today, August 16th. Or forecasted. Today is, what is today?
16th?
16th, okay.
Could be the 17th.